If you're considering buying Sage Timeslips for your business, there are a few things you need to know before making the decision. While it's a solid choice for many, it's important to see how it stacks up against competitors and whether it's the right fit for your needs. Let's dive into 12 key points you need to consider before buying Sage Timeslips. First thing to know, Sage Timeslips offers a powerful billing and time tracking system that's especially popular with law firms, consultants, and other professional services. It's a reliable choice, but competitors like QuickBooks and FreshBooks offer simpler solutions with more user-friendly interfaces. Sage Timeslips is designed with professionals who need detailed reporting, so it may come off as a bit complex for those seeking basic features. Next thing, customization options. One of Sage Timeslips' strong points is the ability to tailor the system to your business-specific needs. You can create custom billing templates, reports, and track time in a way that fits your work style. However, customization does come with a learning curve, and it might not be as intuitive as the easier-to-use options like Xero or Zoho Books. The third thing is integration. Sage Timeslips integrates with a variety of third-party tools, including QuickBooks and Microsoft Office, which is great for those already using these platforms. But if you rely on cloud-based systems and integrations, you may find other options like FreshBooks or QuickBooks Online offer smoother connections with more modern tools. Fourth thing, customer support. Sage Timeslips offers extensive support through phone, chat, and email. However, some users report that support can be slow or less responsive during peak hours. This is something you might not experience with competitors like FreshBooks, which has a reputation for quick, helpful customer service. Next, the pricing structure. Sage Timeslips isn't the cheapest option out there. While the pricing is reasonable for the features it offers, you'll pay a premium for the level of detail and customization. In comparison, solutions like QuickBooks or Xero tend to offer more affordable options that cover most basic needs. Sixth thing, the reporting capabilities. One of the standout features of Sage Timeslips is its detailed reporting tools. You can generate invoices, analyze time data, and track project costs with ease. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution with simple, high-level reporting, QuickBooks or Zoho Books might be better suited for your needs. The seventh thing is scalability. Sage Timeslips is great for small to medium businesses, but can feel restrictive as you grow. If you expect to scale quickly, options like QuickBooks or FreshBooks may offer better scalability with more comprehensive plans that grow with your business. The eighth thing is ease of use. Sage Timeslips has a steeper learning curve compared to other accounting tools. It's not the most user-friendly, especially for people with no accounting background. If simplicity is important to you, FreshBooks and QuickBooks stand out for their clean, user-friendly interfaces. Next, mobile access. Sage Timeslips doesn't offer the most robust mobile app. If you rely heavily on mobile access, you might find QuickBooks Online or FreshBooks to be more convenient options, as they offer more comprehensive features on mobile devices. The 10th thing is security. Sage Timeslips offers solid security with encryption and data backups, but it may not be as modern in its approach to cloud security as some of its competitors. If top-notch security is a priority, other platforms might offer more advanced features. The 11th thing is the time tracking feature. Sage Timeslips excels here with robust tracking options, ideal for businesses that need to log hours down to the minute. If time tracking is critical for your business, Sage Timeslips provides one of the best solutions, but if you only need basic tracking, simpler tools like Toggle or Harvest could save you time. Finally, updates and innovation. While Sage Timeslips is consistently updated, it's slower to adapt compared to newer platforms like QuickBooks Online or FreshBooks. If you're after cutting-edge features and faster innovation, these platforms might offer more up-to-date solutions for your business needs. In conclusion, Sage Timeslips is a solid option for businesses that require detailed time tracking and billing, especially for professional services. It's powerful and customizable, but it's not the easiest to use, and it comes with a higher price tag. If you're looking for a more user-friendly, scalable solution